Our prayer cannot be strong enough because we are weak. Our prayer cannot be true because we can't really desire spirituality, bestowal, love, soul devotion, and so on, so forth. Our prayer is like with little kids. They succeed because they never stop nagging. Right? So that's what we need to do. Meaning not with force, not with this sudden eruption or from within the heart. Those things, as much as we do it, it will always be something that's unreal, unnatural, not 100%. But 100% is certain we can do one thing, 100% of the time. Because this is something we can measure. So we need to be on guard so that all the time, at least a part of the 10, or maybe from several tens, is in duty, is on duty of prayer, and it prays for the others. How will we learn how to pray for everyone? And for each 10 to, when it takes its spot in the schedule, we will succeed. At least like kids who never let go. And in that, we will succeed. How do we do it? Please. Think about it.